Amid the uncertainty about the fate of the island's education system because of disruptions caused by Hurricane Melissa, a free math class is said to be making waves among students in St. Catherine. Krista Campbell has that story.
Class is in session, but not in the way you would expect. Sure, it's being held at the Charlemont High School in St. Catherine, but these students are enrolled at different institutions. It's a free math class that Member of Parliament for Northwest St. Catherine, Damien Crawford, teaches, and not just to residents from his constituency.
I saw it on Instagram, the last exam results, and it was really good. The passes were good, so I decided to take my son.
Most of us parents cannot afford to pay for the extra classes, so we're glad for the opportunity.
I was like, and when me come and say and teach group, me I said this worthy class, I used to go into them, me have to pay too much money.
The MP says he's been giving free math classes from 2005 and always starts a program in any constituency he represents. For St. Catherine residents, he says it's an opportunity to help level the playing field by exposing students to as much practice and study materials as students at traditional high schools. And he boasts that even students from some of those schools attend his free classes.
Those students are not beneficiaries from just teachers in that 4 hours, but from extra exposure up to 16 hours extra exposure. So every week, these students come from 10 to 2, and they will get 4 hours of exposure. Then we have our teachers in this constituency that are doing, at Charlemont, for example, evening classes. And we also have at Yuatan where they're doing early morning classes.
An important component to get the students out is the addition of free meals sponsored by private individuals, restaurants, and companies.
It's 4 hours out of their day, right? So you don't expect them to come, and we start at 10. Some of them come from very far, and we want to ensure that they are paying attention. You know, sometimes when you're hungry, you're not going to be able to pay attention. So we have decided that we should provide breakfast and lunch for them.
They get a porridge in the morning, normally from Juicy Beef or Tasties, and they get a lunch in the afternoon, be it a patty, or in this case, today being a holiday, they're going to be getting some KFC, and we thank them. We also got commitments from Water, who have helped us with refreshments.
Now, with uncertainty about the reopening of several schools across parishes devastated by Hurricane Melissa, parents stress the classes are even more critical now, and they say they've been seeing improvements.
The kids seem to be learning. My son says he understands well when he's teaching.
Last week when I came, it was kind of complicated, but when I go home and research, and I came back this term, it was kind of getting along. I was be able to understanding what is going on.
Last year we had about 40-something, and now we have over 202 centers. So Yuatan High School is a center that they watch it live on stream, and Charlemont High School is a center that I teach live. We're hoping to eventually get Magrat High School as a center as well.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.